What's up, team? It's your boy Cal with another one. Yeah, guys, I'm back. I'm feeling good. I am going to be flooding you guys with all the projects I'm working on. You're going to be seeing a project that I'm GCing, project managing, and just being a straight up electrician. So let's talk about the property that I'm at right now. It's one of my favorite customers, Miss Kim. Love her to death, like a mother from another grandmother. But let's talk about it here. So right now I'm doing her roughing. This is her office. Gonna be her little office area here. We had a lot of change orders. So I'm changing this out. I'm gonna be doing 3 pendant lights. I gotta put 3 junction boxes there total. This is her living room area. Also, to give some context to what I have done here, we built this closet area here. We built this support beam here. So I did this here to support the house. Originally had these pillars here. So these pillars were here and here. So we're gonna be putting those back. So we salvaged those. The other one is over here. Okay. My team is doing the HVAC and the plumbing. This is my roughing. This is the living room area here. Okay. This is our kitchen area. So today I got all my home runs ran. So now I will be dressing up all my boxes, finishing and tightening stuff up here. Ms. Kim has done her layout, which I love customers that do this. She measured out where her refrigerator is going to be at. Cabinet, sink, cabinet. It's going to be the stove here. Cabinets there. Cabinets here. I did an extra. She might want to do with some lighting because we were talking about maybe making an island here. So I'm going to leave this box here for that. Also, some other guys did some framing here. One guy did some framing here. Not gonna mention his name because of past issues, but he's not a part of the team anymore. It is what it is. But I did not facilitate any of that. Right. So this will be the laundry room area here. So that way Miss Kim doesn't have to go to the basement to, wash clothes, of course. Also, the bathroom was originally on the second floor, so we built the bathroom here. Okay, so it's gonna be a bathroom here with a stand-up shower. This here, the house used to stop right here. So I built a addition here, and this was permitted. So we made the house bigger. And this addition, boy, it whooped my butt a little bit. Definitely whooped my butt a little bit, especially building these walls. These manufactured trust. So we made the. So this is gonna be for, I believe, the mother-in-law or grandmother. I can't remember, but that's what it's gonna be for. And let's see here. Oh, I never thought about doing that. So we can support that by that. Gotcha. Okay, cool. I'm gonna do that then. What else? So let's get back to it. Wired smoke detectors. Let's go upstairs. Just put an outlet here. We're gonna have a light there. Oh, boy. Yeah. So this is originally 3 bedrooms. I think it was originally 4 bedrooms up here, but I think we turned one into, no, it was 3 bedrooms. I can't remember. But nice size bedroom here, closet. Another bedroom. Well, actually, this is going to be another office area, so it doesn't have a closet in here, so it's not going to be a bedroom here. Okay. I usually have it a lot cleaner, but yesterday I had to change out the wire going to the ceiling fan boxes because she wanted it to be separate. So if you see that red wire there, that one's going to control the fan, where my black wire controls the light. So I changed out all the wires. This will be your master bedroom here. Has 2 closets. We have a small closet here, and then we have a bigger closet there that was framed out. Then of course we have the back area here. My boy Dwayne, he was a realtor on this project, so he sold Miss Kim the house. So big shout out to my boy Dwayne. If y'all need his information, I got 2, Dwayne to take care of you, and then I got another realtor named Brittany. She can take care of you too. So this will be the bathroom area here. So we actually have 2 doors for the bathroom. So what I did was I did a 3-way switch. So you cut on the bathroom light here, and then say if you're coming in from the hallway area, let's close this door here. You open this door, you can cut on the light here. Then, hypothetically, when in doubt, you can cut the light off right here if you want to. So, got all that set up. Also, let's go to the 3rd floor. So we got a light switch there. So we have a 3rd floor. Of course, might do a ceiling fan up here. I don't know, but I'll just put a wire there anyway. I'm gonna put a smoke detector up here. And because I know she's gonna frame this out, this area out, so, excuse me, soon, I put a 20 amp line here. So for anything in the future, she'll be able to power up anything that she has up here or whatever she decides to do up here. Because the most that I know everybody would do is put, have space heaters and whatnot. So that's about it. So show you guys how this thing looks once I get all these boxes dressed up, and we go from there. All right. So as I always say, stay blessed, keep grinding. But we gotta get this work. I've been slacking. I apologize. And I gotta do better. So I'm gonna get y'all some more good content, show you guys what I'm doing, show you guys what I'm working on, and go from there. Big shout out to my boy DJ. He bought me one of these DJI tripod things. So it's a stabilizer for the phone. So I'm gonna utilize that so you guys can see some of this good work. So big shout out to Dog. You look out. A lot of my customers look out for me, and I appreciate it. So from there to the next time. But I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I don't know what just happened. I just been shooting. I've been shooting videos. So they just gonna be dropping. It's just gonna be a lot of videos just dropping. So I'm gonna try to have at least 3 or 4 videos dropping every week. I'm trying something different. I'm just pre-recording them, and then that way, just keep filling it up. So I'm excited. Let's get it. To next time.